So another new topic I have to discuss. So it's not a traditional topic like oops or exception handling or multi-threading. A special add-on topic which came in the 1.4 version. Okay, a new concept, a separate concept what I'm going to discuss. What is our next topic here is regular expressions. Are you getting? Very helpful topic, very important topic. So in our day-to-day programming, there are some areas where we require to use this concept. This is the new concept came in 1.4 version of Java, right? Okay. Sir, what is regular expression? Have you observed the word regular? Regular expression. What is the regular expression? It is an expression. Are you getting? Which is regular. Don't feel like that. Sir, what is regular expression? Sir, it is an expression to represent a group of items, a group of string objects according to a particular pattern. Sir, I want to check. I want to write an expression to represent all mobile numbers, because every mobile number is according to a particular pattern. Correct or not? Sir, best example, all mobile numbers should contain exactly 10 digits. Assume that India based exactly 10 digits, where the first digit should be 7 or 8 or 9. Are you getting? Sir, we can write a regular expression to represent all mobile numbers, because these mobile numbers are according to a particular pattern. Are you getting right? Similarly, sir, all mail IDs, do you know every mail ID is something like xxx at the rate yyyy dot z, something like this format. All mail IDs, any mail ID, it may be Gmail or it may be Yahoo, like any mail ID according to this pattern, according to this format only. Are getting? Pattern or format only. Are getting? So to represent all mail IDs, I can write a regular expression. Are you getting the point? Sir, can you tell what is a regular expression? Okay, sir, if you want to represent a group of string objects according to a particular pattern, best example here, just a group of, if you want to represent a group of string objects, and a group of string objects according to a particular pattern, then okay, pattern, then we should go for regular expression. Sir, it is a representation to represent a group of string objects according to a particular pattern. I can write a regular expression to represent all mobile numbers. I can write a regular expression to represent all mail IDs. Sir, how we can write, how you can use, that part we have to discuss. Just a basic idea, sir. What is regular expression? It is a representation to represent a group of string objects according to a particular pattern. Then we should go for regular expressions, sir. Okay, it is an expression which represent a group of things, a group of string objects, right? That's all, up to that enough. Sir, where we can use this regular expressions concept? What are various application areas are there? There are several areas, sir. Where? Sir, can you please explain one or two examples in our day-to-day programming? Just observe a bit very carefully. In our day-to-day life, we have to fill several forms: login form, inquiry form, registration form. Like in the internet, there are several forms we are going to fill. Best example, assume I have to fill one inquiry form, sir. I have to fill one inquiry form. Inquiry form, sir. I have to fill. Sir, do you know here name I have to fill, mobile number, mail ID. Next, what course, interested course. Next, and after that, like submit button. Of course, like there are several fields are there. Like I entered name, some Durga, my mobile number 9848022338. Okay, Sir, mail ID, just I wrote something like Durga TOC, Durga TOC, and a course something like OCJP is my requirement, sir. Like submit. Whenever I'm trying to submit, immediately I got alert message saying, please enter a valid mail ID. Really, I got shocked. Sir, this form is going to check whether our provided information is valid or not. Regarding this form will check whether our provided information is valid or not. So really I impressed like anything. Oh, it's a checking something like, then immediately I check mail ID. Oh, Durga TOC is not complete. Then what I did is @Gmail, like I added, sir. @Gmail. Now I'm trying to submit. Once again I got the message saying, please enter a valid mail ID, alert message. Then I checked the Durga TOC @gmail.com. Whenever I provided complete mail ID, then only this data is going to be accepted by this form. Then the form, whenever I submit, thanks for providing valid information, our team will contact you like I got proper information, right? Have you observed? Really, I got impressed like anything by seeing this one, because at that time I don't know the software, all these things. Like, sir, this form is going to check whether your provided information is valid or not. Like it is doing that. Then what I did is I opened this form second time. Next time I entered the mail ID aaa@bbb.ccc. I am trying to submit. Then immediately this form is telling, thanks for providing valid information. Like, really I got shocked, because there is such type of mail. Like I checked, physically I am trying to send some data to the, immediately I got a message saying, okay, message fail, delivery failure. Like physically there is no such type of mail ID, but still, okay, this application is going to accept. How, sir? How it is happening? Like, sir, then, okay, this form will check only format. Regarding only format, but not physically this mail ID exists or not. Regarding the point, sir, mail ID, some XYZ, something, dot followed by some extension. According to this format or not, up to that only this form is going to check physically whether that mail ID is available or not. This one is not going to be checked. Regarding that, sir, this type of validations internally we can implement by using what? Regular expressions concept. Regarding that, luckily, sir, this example we are going to cover. I will write a Java program with our Java regular expressions concept to validate whether the given mail ID is valid or not, whether the given mobile number is valid or not. Sir, validation frameworks internally will use which concept is regular expression, because it's always going to check every mobile number contain 10 digit or not, first digit is 7 or 8 or 9, or mail ID should be according to this format or not. Like, sir, form validations will check only format or pattern. That's why internally these validations we can implement by using which concepts are regular expressions. Are you able to understand? Sir, one very common area in our day-to-day life where regular expressions applying is a validation concept. Are you getting right? Sir, first application area. Now the second application area. This area is a very important concept, sir. Sir, here just observe. Usually after my class, there are several students are going to come to ask the doubts whatever I covered in the class. Almost around 10-15 minutes after every class I have to spend to clear their doubts. Sometimes the students may ask personal doubts also, may not subject related doubts. Then one student asked me, sir, I have personal doubt is there. Sir, I want to become best software engineer. Can you please provide guidelines? Like he asked me. At that time, I have next class is there. Then I told her, can you please come at 1 o'clock? 1 o'clock I will be free. So that we will discuss I will spend some time to clear your doubt like I told. Then, okay, thank you sir, like he left. Then at 1 o'clock that person came. My last class also completed in the morning. Then I asked that, then this person asked me, sir, my doubt is, I want to become best software engineer. Can you please provide guidelines, sir, like he asked me. Sure, I will provide guidelines like even most of the people who are viewing this video, you may have this doubt, sir, I want to become best software engineer, can you please guide me, is nothing but even this doubt may be available for you also. Then what I did is, Ray, please come with me like. So student and myself both are walking on the road, SR Nagar roads, Amirpeta, SR Nagar road. Then what is his doubt? He want to become best software engineer. Array. Then while walking on the road, I saw a big tree. Then I asked him, Array, will provide clarification, I will provide guidelines. Can you please sit under this tree? Like I told, sir, why you are asking me to sit, sir? My doubt is I want to become best software engineer. That's all that is. Why you are asking me to sit under this tree? Array, Gautam Buddha also. Okay, he got full knowledge just under some tree only. Okay, both the tree or something like you people may wear. So you will get that maturity. Just please sit under this tree like I told. Array, Guru, believe me, definitely I will guide you in the proper direction only like I told. Sir, are you sure? Like he asked. Sure. Then this person said, just close your eyes like I told. Then automatically he's always picked out. I asked how I can become best software engineer. I asked some answers or suggestion. Why this person asking me to sit under this tree and close the eyes like? Then I told, you have the doubt, come on, not required to worry. I'm providing guidelines for that only. Can you please close your eyes like? Then automatically that student closed the eyes. Then I told, there are 3 mantras are there to become best software engineer. 3 mantras are there to become best software engineer. If you know these 3 mantras, automatically you will become best software engineer. Just every day, morning, afternoon, evening, you have to memorize these 3 mantras like I told. Are you listening like I asked? Yes, sure, sir. Now just observe mantra 1. Okay, every day, morning, evening, afternoon, you have to memorize at least twice or thrice. Automatically you will become best software engineer, sir. Not only that student, even yourself also. What those mantras? Okay, first mantra 1. Just that person closed the eyes, he is listening my words well. First mantra, control C, control V and control F. Control C, control V, control F. Like I told. Then suddenly that person open the eyes. Sir, these are copy paste commands, sir. Like, if you want to become best software engineer, the required things are copy paste commands only. Okay, this I'm not telling this one just by staying in Amirpet. I worked 5 years in some software company, top MNC only. I worked, sir, I know 80% to 90% of the work in real time can be done by using copy paste commands only. Okay, don't keep any doubt in that, sir. Whether you know Java language or not, whether you know .NET language or not required to worry, sir. If you don't know copy paste command, then you won't become best software engineer like I told. Then are you sure, sir? Like, with experience only I'm telling like. Then thanks, sir, for providing valuable information. Like he left. After 3 months, the same person came. Then he told, sir, now I'm the best software engineer, like that person is telling. Are you getting right? So even for you people also, the people who want to become best software engineer, shortcut is, okay, mantras are copy, paste, find. Have you observed? Control C means what? Copy. Control V means what? Paste. Control F means what? Find. These 3 commands, if you observe, if you use properly morning, evening, afternoon, automatically you will become best software engineer, sir. Okay. Now let me explain control F command. Okay, because I have to explain that. So control C, control V, any. Control F. Control F means what, sir? Find, search, find operation, right? If I type control F, then immediately you will get one box, alert box saying, which thing you want to search? Sir, I want to search for OCJP. Sir, here find. Next and after that find all. Like we may have. Find all. If I click find all, immediately it's going to tell some 23 matches found. 23 matches found. And wherever OCJP word is there, it is going to be highlighted with yellow color background or red color background in the web page. Are you getting right? Sir, control F. to find a particular pattern. This type of application, sir, can you please search whether OCJP is available or not? If it is available, how many times it is available? This type of applications are by default considered pattern matching applications. Are you getting whether a particular pattern available or not? Okay, this type of applications are by default considered as what? Pattern matching applications. Are you getting? Pattern matching applications. Internally, these pattern matching applications can be developed, can be implemented by using regular expressions concept only. Are you able to understand? Okay, this is, sir, control F command in Windows based, sir. But in Unix based, which command is there? Okay, grep command in Unix or Linux based. Internally, these commands are implemented by using which concept is regular expressions concept only. Pattern matching applications we can able to develop by using which concepts are regular expressions. Do you know? Just after few minutes, our first example I will demonstrate for you. The first example itself is nothing but pattern matching application only. Are you getting? Sir, where we can use a regular expression? One is to develop validation frameworks. Second one is to develop pattern matching applications. Next, the third one is also, make sure you people should aware. In your academics, I hope, maybe the people who are coming from BTech or MCA computer science background, in your academics, there is one subject is there named with compiler design, language processors, like there is one subject. Assume compiler design is there. Can you please tell how many stages are there in the compiler design? How many phases are there? First one, have you remembered? What are the first ones are? Lexical analysis. Second one, semantic analysis. Lexical analysis, semantic analysis, syntax analysis. Lexical, syntax analysis. Next, the third one is what? Semantic analysis. Third one, semantic analysis. Next, the fourth one, intermediate code generation. Fifth one, code optimization. Next, last one, target code generation. Target code generation. Are you getting? Target code generation. So these are the five. These are the 6 phases are there in every compiler design. Lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, target code generation, right? In the lexical analysis is also known as, do you know, scanning. Lexical analysis is also known as what? Scanning, which is also known as tokenization. Sir. Internally, this lexical analysis concept is implemented by using what? Regular expressions, sir. Are you getting? Sir, here, if you observe the main important basic, divide into tokens is nothing but is going to take care here lexical analysis. Internally, this lexical analysis concept is implemented by using what? Regular expressions concept only. I hope you people may aware. Do you know, earlier before starting this Java training, I was the trainer for GATE computer science, sir. In the theory of computation is the subject what I handle. My theory of computation is this related to compiler design only. Have you observed even my mail ID also? Durga TOC. The TOC means what? TOC means it's a theory of computation. I kept this one in the 2002-2003 like. Observe. Now here in my TOC, 70 hours I'm going to spend. In that 70 hours, 40 hours just I will spend only for lexical analysis. In the regular expression, finite automata, and DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA, more mission, Mealy mission, like for every finite automata, we can create an equivalent regular expression. For every regular expression, we can create an equivalent finite automata. Regarding 40 hours, I spend only on lexical analysis phase out of my 70 hours of complete theory of competition subject. Remember, that much important in the compiler design, regular expressions, right? Sir, so the total lexical analysis part is implemented by using which concepts are regular expressions only. I hope you people can aware clearly, right? Okay, sir, what is the, sir, in compiler design, in translators design, these regular expressions play very important role, sir, like assemblers, interpreters, like compilers, like here regular expressions concept applicable, right? Are you getting? Sir, can you tell what are various important application areas where regular expression concept is very helpful? One area, validations. We can implement validations concept by using what? Regular expression. Second application area, pattern matching applications is. Third application area, while designing translators, are getting like compiler, interpreter, assembler, like while designing translators, this regular expression concept is very helpful. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, like, sir, most of the times these two are programmer's scope. This one is nothing but if you are developing our own translator, this concept will come into the picture. There are some areas which are not that much related to the developer, where regular expressions concept is helpful. Do you know? Fourth application area, you people may aware finite automata with output. Finite automata with the output. More mission, million mission, like. So do you know? More and million missions are digital circuits. Are you getting digital? While designing digital circuits, regular expression concept is helpful, sir. I'm sure regular expressions can be used while designing digital circuits also, like binary adder, binary incrementer. This type of digital circuits, if you want to develop internally, we can use regular expressions concept. That's why digital circuits, while designing digital circuits, okay, sir, we can use regular expressions, but not in Java programmer's scope, not required to worry. Next, do you know, while developing communication protocols, like we have TCP by IP or UDP. Sir, do you know what is a protocol? Protocol is nothing but what? A group of rules. Sir, a group of predefined rules we can represent by using regular expression. Make sure. So, to develop communication protocols internally, which concept is helpful is regular expressions concept. Regarding that, sir, can you please tell what are various important application areas where regular expression concept is helpful? One important area, to develop validations, are getting to implement validation frameworks, regular expression is required. To develop pattern matching applications, regular expressions are required. Next, to develop translators like compilers, interpreters, assemblers, regular expression concept is required. Next, to develop digital circuits and to develop communication protocols, regular expression concept is required. Are you getting that? These are various application areas where regular expression concept is applicable. Are you able to understand? Basic ideas are, but in our programmer scope, the first two application areas I will cover with Java programs, not required to worry. But the remaining three, not in our scope as of now. If you are working on special translator design, then you can use this concept. These are completely a bit far away from the developer, right? Are you able to understand? So this is, so from this discussion, let me summarize. Can you tell what is a regular expression? If you want to represent a group of string objects according to a particular pattern, then we should go for regular expression. Are you getting? Sir, where I can write a regular expression to represent all mobile numbers. I can write a regular expression to represent all mail IDs. I can write a regular expression to represent all movie names starts with A, or all movie names starts with N, something like. Sir, like any group of strings according to a particular pattern, if you want to represent best suitable concept is regular expressions. What are various application areas? Validations, pattern matching application. What the next one? Compiler, translators design, digital circuits development, next communication protocols development. These areas where regular expressions concept is helpful. Are you getting? Sir, first directly let me show one pattern matching application by using regular expression so that you people can get much clarity in the concept.